Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern in Lexis & Company, and my topic for today is importance of fundamental rights. As we know, fundamental right is stated in our constitution. Part 3rd of constitution covers all the traditions, civil and political rights enumerated in Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described them as the most citizen part of the constitution. They are considered elements to protect the liberties and rights of the people against the infringement of the powers and delegated by them to their government. Fundamental rights are always planned to protect the dignity of the individual and to create a situation which always planned to protect such and every human being to be develop his personality to fullest extent. Then they are most essential attainments of them in the constitution is to establish the government of law and not a man. Fundamental rights protect the liberty and freedom of the citizens against any evasion of the state or prevent the establishment of authoritarianism and the rule in the country. They are very essential for all the round developments of the individuals and the country. Fundamental rights are essentially human rights but are regulated by the constitution in India. They integrated him with a society and at the same time as they are incorporated, educated a value also. Then the constitution also provides the enforcement of these. They have legal values also which empowers the citizens to protect and respect and fulfill the rule of law. They upholds the equality of all the individuals, the dignity of individual and nations in unity. Then they can be very clearly from the below points. First one is qualification of freedom. Second one is first fruits to freedom struggle. Third one is rule of law. And fourth one is rights. What are the rights? Then first one is quantification of freedom. Every Indian citizen is free to practice a religion of his choice, but there is no such Gulf countries. But our right of speech and expressions allows to freely citizens of the government, but it is not so in China. Second one is first fruit to freedom struggle. After a living in jurisdiction for such long time, people has forgotten what is meant by freedom. Then these rights give people hope and belief that there is no stopping of their growth. Thus they are free from the whims of the rulers. In that sense, they are first fruits to long freedom struggles and bring the sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Third one is rule of law. These rights of the protection are citizens against the government and necessary for having the rule of the law and not of a government but of a person. Since the explicitly given by the constitution of people, these rights are dare not to transferred by the authority. The government is fully answerable to the court and is fully required to uphold these rights. Thank you.